Today I share with you how to make chicken pizza at home. This time around you are going to enjoy your pizza than before. Both the kids, everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this pizza. It's everything you need to try and it's mouth watering. Look how gorgeous that look. So begin guys, you are going to be needing flour, the center and sugar and then salt. Next we need is dry yeast. After adding the yeast, you have to stir everything together. Then all you do now is to adding oil. Over here we have cooking oil. Next we adding is egg, then adding water. We're going to be working on 1 cup of water, but we're going to add that twice. So all I do now is to stir that together. Use my hand to mix everything thoroughly. Now I adding the remaining water. I keep on mixing. I mix until everything cut together like this. So now you are going to cover this to rest for 30 minutes. So just use oil in your hand to just rub everywhere and then cover for 30 minutes to rest. So before that, you are going to be kneading chicken. This is a chicken breast, so all you do is to just chop that into a little bite. So that's what I'm getting done here. I just chop everything, and then after doing that, all I do is to transfer all the chicken back inside a bowl. At this point I'm done slicing. See how gorgeous that look. So now I'm done cleaning the chicken with clean water, then transfer that and then adding all purpose seasoning. You can season with anything of your choice, so this is my choice of seasoning, and then I'm going to massage the chicken very nice until everything gets combined. So that is going to get combined like this. I cover that again for 30 minutes. Next is for me to prepare the tomato sauce. Over here we have pepper mix, that is red bell pepper, green bell pepper, tomato, the same time carrot. Next we have onions. Next over here we have hot pepper. The center we have coriander. Next we have is garlic. Then after that we have here scent leaf. Then I'm going to be adding this all-purpose seasoning, and the center adding oil. Don't forget oil is a must. You can season with anything of your choice, but don't forget oil. After doing that, I'm going to stir this together. So sweetie, don't forget to mix your pepper before you can use it to make your pizza. Is everything massive when you follow this process. I cover that to cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, this is what it looked like. It cooks so nice at this point and it's scenting so amazing. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Like this sauce guys, you can easily just eat it like this. You don't even need to go any other way. Like you can easily chop this. It was so sweet, like it's so delicious. So all I do is to transfer everything back inside a cup. So that is a blending cup. I'm going to add that so I get that blend twice. So this one is the first one I get that blend until I have this gorgeous. Oh my goodness, the aroma, the scent, I can easily eat this like this. Like I even taste it. It tastes so amazing. It was so beautiful and delicious. I have a lot to do with this sauce. I'm going to do more of it because it sweet me so nice and I just love this process. See me testing it. It was so massive. So here we are going to add in oil. The center adding the chicken because at this point the chicken has done marinating. So a little bit of oil is good to go. All you do now is to stir fry the chicken. Don't add in any other ingredient. Just stir fry until the chicken is well fried and come out this perfect. So after getting that done about 20 minutes, all you do is to transfer that back inside a bowl like this. The chicken was just so delicious, so massive. So all I do now is to take the sauce, then add it inside the chicken like this. I'm going to take that about 3 of spoon like that. So after doing it, I'm going to mix together. So after getting this mix, this is what it look like. It looks so nice, and I keep it aside. Over here we have the batter. At this point it has ready. You can see how beautiful that look. It's soft, so nice. So here we have our baking pan. Before we make use of the baking pan, you have to grease that with butter. Then after greasing it, I'm going to transfer the batter back inside the baking pan like this. So this is how I'm going to spread it around. So you just use your hand to spread it until it cover the pan like this. So this is just it. At this point I'm going to use this fork to give that little bite hole. Like use your fork to just pieces it like this. Okay, so now we are going to add in the sauce. So at this point I still make use of 2 almost 3 spoons of sauce because I just want everything to be just delicious because this sauce, it was so it was so sweet really. So I want the sauce to penetrate around like this. Now I'm going to add in the chicken on top of it like this, then use my hand to still cover everywhere until it come out like this. So next is for us to add in is cheese. Over here we we have the cheese. All I do is to spread it around like this. So after spreading everything, it's going to come out like this. So all I do now is to transfer that to oven to do a job. I'm going to bake this for 40 minutes. So over here is my oven. All I do is to transfer that and then let that to do the amazing job. Look at that after 40 minutes. See how gorgeous this look. Oh my goodness, like this one a family pizza, guys. Even my my pan not come size am again. It's too big. So after cutting that, so guys, I'm going to tell you one thing. If you just bring your pizza out from the heat, don't just cut it that moment. Just give it a little bit of 5 minutes before you can cut it, because that time you just bring it out from the oven is still hot. Okay guys, take note, it just happened to me on this recipe. So that is just it. At this point you are done cutting it, and see how beautiful that look. I just love the gorgeous color of this pizza. It was so delicious. It was just so easy to get done. The sauce, the chicken, the way I prepared this is everything massive. I just love the way I get this sauce prepared. This sauce sweet a lot on this recipe. See how beautiful this look. All you got to do is to share, get your pepper mix like this. You are going to enjoy your pizza now than before. In my next one, bye.